Friends, good afternoon everyone. Jai Bhim. Friends, I came on the live for respond on the appointment of Upasana Konidela, wife of film star Ram Charan, as a co-chairman to Telangana for sports. I am asking one question: who she, where, uh, where she came, where from she came? She hasn't know about the sports. What she has know, only she know entrepreneurship and business, how to do business, and the pharmacy, and she commanding on the only medicine, hospitalization only. The why the Telangana Chief Minister appointed as a co-chairman for the sports. Her what is her age? 36 years. She belongs to Andhra Pradesh. She not belongs to Telangana. Why the Chief Minister of Telangana, he given the priority and opportunity, and why he elected her as a co-chairman to sports? I am asking one question. She hasn't vote also here. Here no one such like people. Especially they are who are the leaders. They are giving the opportunity and priority, especially based on the caste, and who are the richest people. This is clear cutly we know. Really I am sad about, and first of all I am condemning that appointment, and I am expressing deep regret toward the appointment, that one. Really, who in the Telangana native people, no one here. Many member are here, but why the chief minister showed the negligence toward the Telangana people, discrimination, and toward the Telangana people. Really
doing the opposition of people interest.
what? Why he doing always the such like work and such like behavior and such like cheap behavior? I am really sad about this chief minister. And here many member, retired IAS, IPS, and the professor of university, many member are here. PET, PED also here. Why he given the opportunity and chance to her? Many members, the elders, the who are the uh, experts, and who are the now the commanding on the society. Many members, 50 above, 60 above, they are the who are the elders. They all are here. They are native. But why the chief minister Revanth Reddy not given the chance to them? That is why immediately the Revanth Reddy, chief minister of Telangana, give terminate her immediate, and give the chance to who are the native of Telangana. This is my message, friends. Everyone should be respond on this appointment, and should be give the wise behalf of this issue. I am responding as a civic person, as a the Telangana person. Why the Telangana farmed? Telangana farmed on base of the water and funds and recruitment, but completely these all are neglected, and left, and all are destroyed by this government. Previous government also did the more than more mistakes. Really, that time also they were when the BRS regime time, they also did the mistake, and they also appointed the Rakul Preet Singh and Samantha and Sania Mirza. Why they are doing such like, especially they are giving the opportunity, and they are only giving the chance to who are the richest people. This is everyone now, friends. and everyone respond and everyone give the voice behalf of the what is going on, what is the discrimination, what is the negligence, what
Misjudge
misjudge,
to the Telangana.
misjudge to the Telangana. Thank you friends. Jai Bhim.